Hello classmates and professor. Today, my online lesson is how to use the Speechify app. Francione Neff, DUC 631, Dr. K. He, Liberty University. Well, let's start.
Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use Spotify. Spotify it is an app that will read to you any PDF articles and web page. However, before teaching you how to use Spotify, you have seen that I am with my email open and my Spotify read articles, as I said you. So I have here some article that I already find on my library of the university, and I upload on my email, so I have opportunity to click on it and use the bottom share of my phone, and I go here to save to files. Because I have already the app Speechify on my phone, I'm gonna just click on it and added my article. In this case, I already have this article too, so I'm gonna keep both. Yeah. So now, what I'm gonna do is go to my app, Speechify, and that you can go to your store on your phone and download this app. And it is very useful for me, this app, because I sometimes don't have time to read a lot of articles from my class. And what I did was use this Speechify to read to me while I'm driving to work and while I'm taking care of my little baby. As you see, her picture here, she's beautiful. So I go to my app and I already have my file here. I click on my file and I click on the article that I want to read, and Spotify is going to read to me. Distance education and new model. As you see. Distance education and new models for forestry. If you don't want to read again, you stop it. But you know, it's very nice, and I found out that it is useful for me as a student, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. And this is, I recommend it to you Speechify, so it can read to you. If you have any question, please let me know. Take care and bye bye.
Okay, as you see, this video is very nice and you can use Spotify. However,
hello everybody.
I want to say some details to you to remember. The first one, have your PDF article already loaded up to your email. Download the Speechify app from your Android or iPhone store. Don't forget to read your course material. Have faith, good luck to you, and I know you can do it. Thank you so much, and bye bye.